Press duplicating key button. Choose double standard. Check if the original key can work well. Choose double-sided AB. Choose normal resolution. Put the stopper on the clamp. Fix the original key on car key clamp and use this stopper to guide the position. Take out the stopper. Click the image of car key clamp to start duplicating. Take out the original key and put the stopper on the clamp. Fix a new key blank, use the stopper to guide the position, then take out the stopper. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works well.